how good is a device? We have a simple way to distinguish. It's a moving part. If its machining accuracy is sufficient, its vibration will be small. If its vibration will be small, it's going to last a long time. Let's take a look at our Smart6000. What is its vibration like? And let me show you that first. Now is definitely the time for full screen load, operating at 200 Hertz. Then in this case, let's take a look at the vibration value of our hose and a vibration value of the motor. The approximate location, and then we measure the vibration value of this exhaust fan and its tail, and usually larger spaces. Then let's measure the position of this bearing seat at its rear end. It's also 0.9. This is millimeters per second.